Hello, Namaste. Welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's live video, I'm going to share you the live performance of our WinTrader running version 8.1, how our software support in positional trading. As you know that our software support all major financial market like MCX, NSE currencies, Agri, COMEX and FOREX, and it can be used for that intraday, short time, long time positional trading. As per that, you have to just change the time frame. I can see this you can see on above dashboard you can see the time frames now. For a scalping trading you can follow 1 minute time frame. For intraday we can follow 5 minute and 15 minute. Mostly we are preferring 5 minute for intraday, and for short time positional trading you can follow 1 hour 4 hour time frame, and for long time positional trading you can follow daily, weekly and monthly time frame. Just to click the you can change the time frame as per your requirements. Right now I open this Bajaj Auto and the time frame I've selected is 1 hour. So you can see this on above dashboard you can see the price 3636 3636.35, that is the current market value. So whatever chart you open in the software, the market value will show here. And this is our running version 8.1. You can see this green up arrow. This green up arrow is a buy signal and this red down arrow is a sell signal. This red down arrow is a sell signal and green up arrow is a buy signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generated buy or sell signal, same time there is a pop-up message will display in your screen with the sound effect. So before taking any position you have to check the confirmation of that signal. If the software gives a signal now, before taking the position you have to always check the confirmation. Confirmation means if it is a buy signal, the first confirmation below you can see price in buy zone. If it is buy signal then the first confirmation it will show here like price in buy zone. That is the first confirmation. And the second confirmation on below the arrow you can see there is a bar is here. That is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal. Means if it is a buy signal then the bar should be in green color. If that time if it is not confirmed then we can wait for the confirmation. We can enter with the whenever software gives a confirmation in this signal we got a confirmation around this candle, so we can enter with that level. So we need to check the two confirmation. First we have to wait for the arrow to come. After the arrow you have to check the confirmation. Only two confirmation is necessary. First confirmation, if it is buy signal then price should be in buy zone and the bar color, the bar should be in green color. So we need to check only two confirmation. If these two confirmations are okay, then you can directly take the position. So once we enter in the market now, on below dashboard you can see is a trailing stop loss, and on the left side of the trailing stop loss you can see there are three targets: target 1, target 2 and target 3. There are three targets. So if the market is trendy market, then signal will continue after hitting our target. So that time software gives a re-entry option. You can see this re-entry suggestion is showing wait only. If the software gives a re-entry, that place software gives a separate, means re-entry means the software gives a separate entry point and a separate target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. So currently you can see there is in Bajaj Auto there is a buy signal is active from 9th March. We got a buy at 3286 86.85 and the time is 12:15. You can see the details. We got a buy at 3286.85 and the date is 9th March. Currently it's we are in profit of 353 points, and as per this signal all target has been achieved, and currently it's continue with the same trend. So if it is continue with the same trend if the chart is open in your system, then software gives a re-entry option. Currently I just opened this chart that's why re-entry is showing wait. If it is open in your system, then software gives a re-entry suggestion. In this place software gives us an entry point and exit level. So you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. And in between this candle you can see some multi colors are here. Normal candle colors are red and green. So apart from these two colors you can see some other different colors like orange colors, empty candles, white candles and light blue. So these are the indication of sideways. Means if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that it's going sideways. And you can see there's red stars are here, and on below you can see blue stars are here. These red stars are the resistance level of the market, and on below you can see blue, that is a support level of the market. So it's working with the real time only. There is no delay in the data. It's real time tick by tick data, and with one software you can see all the market like MCX, NSE cash, future, options, currencies, agri, COMEX, forex. All our software support all major financial market. And as I told, it can be used for, you can use it for intraday scalping, long time, short time position trading also. And this is our running version, and very soon we will release our new version, that is directly we are launching our 10th version and new scanner. So we are charging only one time, and all updations are free for our customers. And for new customer we'll get a training session also, means how to add the symbols and how to follow the software. We will give a training session also, and the customer support is there. And right now I'm giving a live demonstration. If you are interested to check a live demo of any segment in intraday, if you want to check intraday trading or position trading, you can directly contact me. My name is Ganga, and the number is 9061973737. I have WhatsApp in this number also, official WhatsApp. You can message me, and you can check our website www.wintradersoft.com, and in that reviews page is there. Don't forget to check our reviews page, and thank you for watching my video.